I said we were going to do an Earth Day related project tomorrow that also relates to global warming. We're going to be doing we're going to be making a new bulletin board. What we're going to do is I'm going to ask you guys tomorrow to write on a few pieces of paper some sentences. And what you're going to write on these sentence papers, a sentence or two about why it's important to take care of the earth, and one or two sentences about what we can do to take care of the earth. And then, while some people are writing down sentences, other people are going to come out in the hallway with me, and we're going to put handprints, like in the picture, on an earth with paint. Okay? And I also have some songs about Earth Day and about recycling that I'm going to teach you guys, and we're going to learn. So, someone tell me, I want something from everybody. What's something that you learned? What's something you learned? Earth Day? We're just getting sick. How about you?
If we don't do what the girl said, the earth will be sicker and sicker, and then the polar bears and the penguins will be exterminated.
Extinct. Okay. Exterminated is different. Now you got something?
That if we continue to do all the bad stuff to the earth, many animals will be extinct.
Many animals will be extinct. Okay. So we learn.
We have to change
The lights in our house. Okay. So those funny squiggly light bulbs. Okay. Those funny squiggly light bulbs, the reason that she says that we should change to those is because they use less energy. And if it uses less energy, that means we don't have to make as much energy, which means we don't have to burn coal and oil and gas.
If you use too much energy and that energy gets out of your house and the icky stuff goes into the air and if it goes together with the air, it makes it bigger and bigger, and that makes the earth super.
Good, okay. So, when we burn greenhouse gases, when we have greenhouse gases from burning fossil fuels, all of the icky stuff that comes out from that is the greenhouse gases. Okay. So when that happens, it starts to make little holes in our protective air. So it starts to make little holes, and over a long, long time, the holes start to get bigger and bigger and bigger. So if the holes keep getting bigger, what's going to happen? What's going to happen if the holes keep getting bigger?
Then the earth is going to be too hot.
Right. Yes.
Why does the hole keep
Getting bigger? Well, because we don't stop burning fossil fuels. I'm going to write down that word for you guys so that you know what it looks like.
Oh, so if we burn fossil fuels in the same place over and over again, it makes it get bigger and bigger.
When we burn the fossil fuels, we make greenhouse gases, okay? And that eats holes in our special protective atmosphere air, the ozone. It eats holes in our ozone.
And then if it keeps doing it in the same spot over and over, it gets bigger and
It's
bigger.
bigger and bigger and bigger, okay? So that all looks pretty bad, right? Pretty scary. Super bad? Yeah, it is. So what we're going to do is tomorrow, when we're making our project, I need you guys to think super hard about why it's important to protect the earth and what things we can do. But I also want you guys to think right now, I want everybody to think, what is something that we can do together as a class to help save the earth, okay? Think really hard about it. I'm going to give you like 2 minutes to think about something that we can do to help save the earth. And then I want everybody to share in their groups once I say so. And then each group is going to pick one idea. And then every group is going to tell me what their idea is, and we're going to vote on one of them to do. Everybody can do that? this group's idea? Do you have one yet?
Yes.
Not yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, well, you say yes. What's your idea? How are we going to do that?
If we have to charge it, if it's already charging, and then we don't have to do it, we don't have to use the there, but to take it off.
So that's your idea?
Yeah, but
You guys don't agree with the idea?
no, they didn't just,
Well, okay. So how about you guys think of other ways that we can participate with that idea? So what other things can you do to help save electricity besides unplugging your gadgets when they're charged? Think of ideas like that.
middle street.
A new idea? What's your new idea?
Save energy, so we don't waste all the energy on the world.
Okay, how are we going to do it?
Oh.
You can't just come up with the, if we're going to do this together as a class, you have to figure out how. Put posters around the world? We're going to put down your ideas, and then we're going to vote together on which idea we like the best.
Oh, we should start voting. Now we're sitting.
And you guys are going to vote on which idea you like the best, and so the idea that we like the best and we vote on is going to be something that we're going to try to do together as a class. Okay? You have a question?
Look at it.
Ooh, is that the Earth?
Yep.
Very cool. And
I write using less energy.
cool. And is the red line that you guys made around the Earth the ozone
Yeah.
to protect it? Very good. That's great. Good job.
We did something wrong energy, but we're supposed to do energy.
Ah, so how you're fixing it by putting a blue block there? What's the blue block gonna be?
I don't know.
You don't know? You're just gonna make something up?
Save energy. But we read that doesn't count that we put energy on.
Okay. It looks very nice. Good job, boys.